David Warmenhoven. I'm design supervisor at Belwith-Keeler. The collection I'm talking about is Brighton. It's a new group that we're launching in Belwith-Keeler. This is a collection that has a lot of uses in the house. This hardware is really adaptable in the fact that the simple geometry allows it to be used in the kitchen, the bath, in the mudroom, even in an office. It has real simple shapes, good ergonomics. It's harmonious to the environment that it's in. This collection comes in our top selling finishes of matte black, satin nickel, and BGB, brushed gold brass. It's got a lot of nice details that are minimal, so it allows it to work in many different environments. Some of the design details that I like about this collection are the slight facets and fillets. Even though it's a minimal design, there's not a lot of things that project out of it, so it's really smooth, easy to clean, feels good to the touch.